All right, nitroglycerin contains 60% as many carbon atoms as hydrogen atoms. So let's express that as 0.6 carbon is equal to 1 hydrogen. 3 times as many oxygen as nitrogen. So 3 times as many oxygen is equal to nitrogen. And the same number of carbon and nitrogen atoms. So carbon is equal to nitrogen as far as quantity. All right, so let's see if we can express all of this in one formula, empirical formula. All right, so let's see, 0.6, that's 0.6 carbon. Let's go with the hydrogen next. So for every hydrogen, and then let's do the oxygen next. So 3 times as many oxygen as nitrogen or carbon. So 3 times 0.6 is 1.8. Okay, and then let's do the N, nitrogen, and that's going to equal the carbon. So that's also 0.6. All right, that's pretty ugly. So let's just, I'm going to multiply through by, pick a different color, multiply through by 10 just to make it simple. And so we're going to get 6 carbons, 10 hydrogens, 18 oxygens, and 6 nitrogens. And we can reduce that. They're all even numbers. So got C3H5, O9, and 3. We cannot reduce that. So that's going to be our empirical formula. All right. What else? The number of moles of nitroglycerin in 1 grams is, all right, so we're given grams per mole information. So let me just get some more room. Okay, that's enough. All right, so 1 gram, I'm just right here, 1 gram has that many moles. So 1 gram has 0.00441 moles. Now, that's not the way we typically write molar mass. We put it in grams per mole. 227. Right, so 227 grams. All right, so let's just write it here, grams per mole. So we have the molar mass now. Good. We have the empirical formula. We have the molar mass. We can get the molecular formula, which is what the problem is asking us for. Let's do red. All right, what is the molecular formula? So to get the molecular formula, it's just the molar mass. That's the mass of the whole molecule, if you had 1 mole of it, over the mass of the empirical formula. So empirical formula mass. Let's just EFM. Okay, so we have the molar mass. We just need to figure out. We got to figure that out. All right, so the empirical formula is here. All right, so let's just 3 for the carbon. Carbon is going to be 12 times 3 is 36. Hydrogen, there's 5 of them, so there's 5. And oxygen is 16 times 9. Punch this in. Is that 144? 990 times 54. 144. And then nitrogen is 12 times 3 is 42. And so we have their the empirical. All right, hold on. Let me add these up. 186, 191, 191 plus 36, 227. Oh, hey, it's the same. All right. It's the same. So the empirical formula and the molecular formula are the same. So that's not only the empirical, but that's also the molecular formula. All right, put a star there. That's your answer to problem number 101.